What are you doing?
The roof had a leak after the rain last night, so I am helping to move the air around and create a more effective drawing environment.
Yeah.
What?
Sounds like we need to go over some basic drawing principles.
Oh, I've already got them down. There are two main factors:
Really? What are they?
air movement and dehumidification.
Don't forget, temperature plays a critical role, as warmer air absorbs more moisture and helps to accelerate evaporation.
Very true, but that's a variable we don't always have control over. Breaks down like this. First, start with plenty of air movers to assist with evaporation and circulation among the wet areas.
At least one air mover for every 60 square feet of wet surface area.
Yep. Then place the dehumidifiers in the wettest places.
Where the most evaporation needs to happen.
You got it. And don't be afraid to use more than one if faced with structural barriers, etc.
When using multiple dehus, space them evenly throughout the structure. The more moisture capture zones there are, the more effective the humidity control.
Yeah, but be careful not to block an air mover's outlet with one. The whole point of an air mover is to increase airflow and disperse the dehumidified air.
Another thing to watch out for is making sure the air mover isn't blowing air directly into the dehu's intakes. This can change the rate of airflow and reduce performance.
And we should also mention that it's important to monitor dehumidifiers.
For sure. Once an environment is dry, you don't want warm, dry air from a dehu blowing on finished hard surfaces. It can damage them.
And remember, not all dehumidifiers are created equal. You want to use an LGR, low-grain refrigerant dehu, like those in the driest lineup.
You got that right.
Why is that?
Well, our Dry's dehumidifiers have built-in sensors that help the unit adapt to changing conditions in the environment and continue to dehumidify as moisture levels drop.
Which ensures continued efficiency throughout a drying project.
Wow, you really do know your stuff, Ange.
What are you doing?
She's helping to move air around.
Legend Brands.